Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I'm doing good. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. We are going to be doing a crock pot dish today. Yes, it's raining and I just want to relax today and look at some movies and shows. And I wanted something to eat, but I didn't want anything heavy. So you see it. You see it. These are turkey tenderloins. So I bought 2 packages. And I didn't mean to take out both packages. I meant to take out 1 package. So then I thought that I was gonna feed my mom. Well, she didn't want any turkey tenderloin. So I don't like to take food out the freezer and then put it back into the freezer. I just don't like to do that. So in each pack of tenderloin, you're gonna get 2 tenderloin. So right here we got 4 turkey breast tenderloins. Okay. So last night I had already started my marination progress. Yes, the marination. So all I put was Italian dressing, salt, and lemon juice, and just let these sit in a Ziploc bag. So that's what's in the bowl already. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna tell you the seasonings that I'm using to season it up, okay? So one thing I want to say is when you take your tenderloins out of the package, I always recommend to rinse your meat off, wash your meat. I don't care, where it comes from. You want to rinse it off. So going in is 4 tablespoons of kosher salt. And the reason why it may seem like a lot of seasoning is because we have 4 big turkey loins. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of rosemary, 4 tablespoons of my house seasoning, which is onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika, 4 tablespoons of coarse black pepper, 4 tablespoons of my roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Get out of there. 4 tablespoons of thyme. Next is some stir-in garlic paste. I really want my garlic flavor to be enhanced on these turkey tenderloins. So I'm just going to put a long string. That's probably about a tablespoon. I'm also going in with a couple of drizzles of avocado oil. It's already some oil from the Italian dressing, but I want it to be really lubricated because that helps the seasonings to stick. So now I got my gloves on. I'm going in and I'm just going to mix all of this on the meat. So I'll be back when I get everything mixed in. And while I'm mixing in the seasonings, y'all, I did want to say I love turkey. I love turkey any day, all day. It is light. It can help control your weight. It's not heavy on your stomach. So, and these tenderloins is not going to make much. I mean, once you cut it down and eat it with your meal or however you plan on eating it. I plan on using it several different ways. I'm going to make salads and I'm going to have sandwiches. Man, cut this up on a nice croissant roll or wheat bread. Cut you up some tomatoes and some romaine lettuce or some spinach. Man, you talking about a good sandwich. So those are the ways I plan on eating my tenderloin. And look, that's how I like my meat to look. You can see all of the flavor that's on these tenderloins. And they're going to be so moist. I just cannot wait. So I'm going to get these put into my crock pot. All right, so I'm going to cook mine. Well, let me lay them in there first. And I promise it may look like a lot of meat, and it is, but once it cooks down, it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to sprinkle some dried parsley. And y'all, we are done. This is one of the easiest meals to make. Well, dishes, should I say, because it's not a meal. Because I'm not having any sides or no carbs or anything. I'm eating straight turkey breast. So this is going with the lid on it for 4 hours on high. And we're going to be done. I'll bring y'all back when they get done and I'll show you what we're working with. Okay, all right. Our turkey breast is ready, you all. It smells so good. So I got to cut it. I want to cut it up for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. And it's falling off. It's so soft and tender. I cannot wait to make a sandwich. See, because I normally cut it up anyway like that. But I'm trying to get some pretty slices for y'all. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's try this one. And see if we can get some beautiful slices. Let me know in the comments if y'all have ever had some turkey tenderloin. I don't think I'm going to be able to get those pretty carved slices, and that's okay with me. I don't know if it's okay with y'all, but it's going to have to be. Oh, we got one of them. We got one. Well, no, we don't. Gosh. So this is my turkey tenderloin, y'all. Let's try some. It's so good. It's so good. Look, I got my little mayonnaise already right here. I got my bread. See, y'all think it's a game. I already got my bread right here. And I got my tomato in the refrigerator chilling. Y'all, it's finna go down. Y'all, I hope y'all have a good night. I'm gonna finish chopping up the rest of my turkey. Y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Oh, there's a good little slice that I got off one of the other breasts. So, anyway, yeah. Bye.